Alright, we got some clearance deals and we got the top 2 deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting that like and the bell icon so we can make more tool review videos and you guys won't miss any of those deals. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We got 75% off on our outdoor furniture. I'm not going to go all over it because this is a tool channel. Alright, so $149 we got the brushless RPs on sale. Then $149 for the weed whackers. These are brushless tools. Got a 4-cycle spark plug on clearance for $172. There's a lot of clearance on this video, by the way, so they do tend to go store by store. If you want the item, make sure you guys double check at your store because sometimes they will be on sale or even cheaper. So keep that in mind. Alright, so you got the rake. It is down from $34 to $13. They've got a shovel, $17 down from $34. So there's all sorts of different items here. I'm not going to go over all of them. There's just a whole bunch of yellow tags here. $24 down from $34. And then we got this style, mostly for like trenches. And this one's $17 down from $42. These are great deals, by the way. So if you have a house, this is the time. $29.27 down from $44. An axe. Dig shovel, $8.97. That's pretty good. Pretty good deals on these. Alright, the clearance. Yes, these are on clearance on some stores. At this store, unfortunately, it's not. I managed to find some upstairs, and they were not on clearance. But yeah, just keep in mind that the Greenworks 1700 PSI, a similar model to this, it is on clearance. Some people got them for like 25 bucks. So double check at your store. If you want to keep all those garden tools in an organized position, this is on sale for $49.98. You got $19.99 down from $32. Is double bits. A double-sided X. This is a really nice tool. It does have a nice handle as well. I don't know how long it will last, but looks pretty good for that price. You got a 60-gallon storage container, or yeah, a cube storage. It's on clearance basically, and this is the top. I actually took it down to the associate, and there's no clearance price at this store. So alright, so this is a chainsaw. It's on sale for $129. Was $149. This is the way it looks. It's pretty much a smaller chainsaw, 1/4 pole saw. $59 down from $159. Then we got this string trimmer. It's a 25cc for $37. Killer deal on these, guys. You can even resell these if you guys want to do that, but I don't got time. So they're out there. There's just a whole bunch at this store. You got the dual fuel inverter generator for $699 down from $1,000. Now I don't know exactly if this is the same one as the Costco one, but beware that there is a Costco version of this. So definitely check that one out as well. Sometimes they put that on sale. So you got this one just under $1,000. It's $100 off. Nexus Power Station. Yeah, sometimes we get this on clearance as well too. So $19.67 from $79. It's a brush cutter. Now, let me know that in the comment section. If you guys have these attachments, are they capable with the Ryobis? Are they capable with the Craftsmans and all that? Let us know that in the comment section if you guys have different attachments, or the DeWalt's. I know for a fact that the Milwaukee is not compatible with those, but who knows? Maybe the other ones are. So let us know that in the comment section. You got the job site fan, $62 down from $139. And also, guys, if you guys got any of these tools, if you got them for cheaper, let us know that in the comment section. Or if you like them, or if you don't like them. And yeah, I know we're a tool channel, but sometimes vacuums and stuff like that. This one's a pretty good deal. $36 up from $78. It's like a cleaner, carpet cleaner, great for the car and all that stuff. I wanted to get it on this one, but it was already sold out. This one's pretty good too. If you guys want to have some greenhouses, it's $29 down from $119. So if you guys are on the resale, you guys could sell this on probably online or something. So this one's $104 down from $1 something. Pretty good deal. And then this is a really small one, $49 down from, or actually $12.47. Killer deal on that one. And then you got this hydro thing for $9 down from $26. Yeah, I know it's winter's already around the clock there, but You can resell it. All right, so they got some trash bins here, all of them on clearance. I guess the new models are coming in. So you got some really nice and really cheap ones for 20 bucks. So just depending on how much you want to spend. Some of these are like 100 bucks. So that's crazy. All right, so you got the rear handle flex 319. This does come with the stack pack lithium. The stack lithium that they call it. So that's a pretty good deal, 150 bucks a piece. Basically, you got the scale for 161 was looks like 179 around there, 199. And this is another picture of the greenhouse, which I didn't know was there, but it's still there. All right, so we got the clearance on the AC systems. So yeah, unfortunately they were sold out on that one. So all right, got the buy more save more, spend 400 save 100, spend 300 save 60, spend 200 save 25. So definitely the 400 is going to save you the most. I don't believe this is hackable, guys. I don't know if you guys done it at your stores. Let us let down in the comment section. This is actually a pretty dang good deal for 179. Was 219. Now this is a pro level box from what I heard or what I seen at the store. All right, these are new to me. I never seen these before at the stores. These are precision screwdrivers. This comes with a really nice case. It's a 6-piece precision set, soft case, and the one same as the one to the right. And then you got the cobalt version if you guys don't want to spend as much. This is actually a little bit cheaper for $12.48. Every garage should have one of these. Those are for smaller stuff. Precision screwdrivers. And then you got some more clearance items here from Linux. This is actually a really nice knife. This one's 10 bucks, 10.98. Not a bad deal on this one. So you got some more Fiskars. Fiskars Pro prevents accidental blade retraction. You got some cobalts here for $3 and $6. Clearance prices. Got some Craftsman's on clearance. Aviation snips, all sorts of sizes and different angles and all that. Same thing with the tough belts. These are actually a little bit better quality, but still pretty nice. Really nice aviation snips. And then you got the Leathermans. If you guys are into these, I really like them. $55 down from $84. This is actually a pretty good deal. And then this one's 107. You got another type of Leatherman T2. This one's 32 down from 49.98. You get some more Fiskars Pro, 14 down from 21.98. And then you got some 3-pack of aviation slips from Craftsman's. $25. Actually a pretty good deal, down from 39.98. So that's definitely a damn good deal on that one. And then you got the router here down from 149 to 124. So there's clearance in all the stores, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, I did not go like to every aisle because there was just way too much to put in this video. Make sure to go out there, especially in the aisles that in the aisles that you want or more interested. You got this planer. This is actually a pretty nice planer. $5.99. This one's down to $2.99. This is the Craftsman version of the DeWalt. It's a little bit more less quality on that. So $24.98 on this one. This was actually pretty good to get some spade bits. This is great for a DIY. It's like an all-inclusive kit basically. But if you're going to be using this more often, I would recommend a little bit something better quality. But this is actually not a bad deal. I've used these bits before. They work pretty good. Still got the buy one get one free. They did add the weed whacker and the blower. I would definitely go for the brushless impact driver and drill driver for $179. Yeah, that's it, $179, and then you get a free battery. But you are able to get the brushless blower and string trimmer. So this is the RP. This is a little closer brushless on that. $49.98. This is a 59-piece 3/8 drive mechanics tool set made in the USA. They're actually clearancing some of these out, guys. I don't know. They're not selling as well as they thought they would. I know some people started like, filling their carts up with these because they were made in the USA and they're gonna be limited time only or something like that. So I don't know. You got 83 piece down from 79. You got a 81 piece for $69. It's actually a pretty good deal on this one. I believe we've seen this before, But this is actually a pretty dang good deal on this one. Made in the USA. You got $59 for a 51 piece. I'll definitely go for the made in USA. Spend a little bit more. And definitely not this one unless you need a power or a Versa stack compatible for $89 from $109. Alright, and then you got this one down from $139 down to $89. I did not see this in stock, but it seems like a good deal for 105 pieces. And then you got this one. This one's $119 from $159. You got a 7-piece range set there. This is actually a really nice material. I really like what they did with this one. This one's darker, kind of like a gunmetal, darker chrome. And you still got the buy one get one free from the Cobalts. These are pretty nice, pretty good tools. These are brushless tools, mostly meant for the DIY prosumer. Even for professionals, it's a great deal on these. For you, save some money and start off with this brand. But yeah, it's pretty decent brand. You got some saws, pole saw there for $149. Pretty good deals. And then you got some impact driver, drill driver, and then you got this, like I said, the 3 modular storage system. This is a pretty good deal on that one. And then $169 for 2 6-amp hour batteries, $159 for 1.8, and then you got the 12-volt batteries there for $99. So it's pretty good deals on those. And then you got 60 piece here. Some nut drivers, some drill bits, $18.98. It's not bad. It's not. I was seeing better, but it's not too bad at all. Got the Craftsman made in the USA hammers and $9.98 for the hammers, and then you got the tape measures there for $17. They still got the buy one get one free. I can't stress this enough. This is actually a pretty dang good deal for $129. These are all brushless tools. These are all top of the line brushless RP. Definitely the jigsaw, the router, all those are great. Same thing with these. These are top of the line. Definitely recommend these power stack with the, what is that? It's like the power detect. There we go. Power detect. Kind of losing my mind here because just got back from work. Yeah, the power detect. So lots of good stuff here. I do own the reciprocating saw and the angle grinder. Pretty good. And actually the hammer drill. That's pretty good deal too on that one. So you guys know the prices on these. These are pretty expensive tools. With the buy one get one free, that's pretty much half price. So you can't. I believe you can't hack these. So like I said, let us know in the comment section if you guys done that. But yeah, unfortunately, you can't hack these at this store. I tried it. I think I tried it once, and they just screwed up my order. So I just kept both of the tools. Didn't matter. $12.98. And then it does go store by store, by the way. So not all the stores will hack for you, just depending on who's up. But it just works. They don't have a policy for that. All right, you got this one. This one's $9. This is actually not a bad deal for the stud finder. And then you got some drill bits and some reciprocating saw for $19.98. You got this Rockwell. It's a pretty nice kit. 74 down from 84, so $10 basically. Not too bad if you want to invest in the platform. You got the Dremel. 79 down from 99. It's the 8240 model. 12 volts, 2 amp hour. And they got the electric cut welder kits, 211 down from 249. So these are others from Lincoln Electric. All right, you got 239. This is Century FC90 down from 279. Now this one just includes the welder. It does not include the accessories at the bottom. You got a 4.5 angle grinder. This was $39. This is a mid-top. So not too bad. They actually were out of stock on that one. $450 will get you $150 off. These are Bosch tools. Up to $449 will get you $75. Obviously, the $450 or more will get you the best deal. That's the most percentage out of the deal here. And then same thing with this buy one get one free. The lights. If you guys want to get the rocket lights, well, there you go for the DeWalt's. Then you are able to get that in the DeWalt's as a buy one get one free here. So definitely check that one. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks just identical. You got the hammer drill down to 119. This is actually a pretty good deal on this one. 169 for this compact drill driver. Was 219. This one does come with the power stack. And then you got the XR impact driver, variable speed, $99. And then you got the XR kit with the power stack for $169. That's not a bad deal. Now this is what the Rocket, the DeWalt tower light looks like, or tripod light that they call it, for $239. This is what you're gonna get for free with the purchase, and it's not like the Milwaukee one. It's not powered by the dual voltage or a dual power. This one's just a battery powered as well. Got the tool connect on this one. So I don't know exactly what that means. Let us know in the comment section if you guys know. I guess it's something, some sort of Bluetooth technology. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the ones on the top, get a free bare tool. 24 volts. That's it, guys. You guys have a great weekend. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I will have a Home Depot video out. So you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.